In this video, we are going to revise biodiversity key concept. Hello friends, welcome to the Tapasya for IAS YouTube channel. So let's begin. Biodiversity. Variety of variety of life at all levels. Genes, species, ecosystem. Levels. Genetic diversity. Variation within a species. Example, mango varieties. Species diversity, number and abundance of species in area. Ecosystem diversity, variety of habitat and ecological processes. Measurements, species richness, total number of species, species evenness, relative abundance of species. Alpha diversity, diversity within a habitat. Beta diversity, diversity between habitat. And gamma diversity, overall diversity across region. Significance, ecosystem stability, genetic adaptation, economic benefit, food, pharma, cultural value, essential ecosystem services, provisioning, regulating, supporting cultural. Next is key ecological terms for a quick glance. Keystone species, disproportionate impact on ecosystem. Example, walls. Foundation species like create habitat. Example, coral, kelp. Umbrella species protect broader ecosystem through their conservation. Example, tigers. Indicator species reflect ecosystem health. Example, amphibians. Flexible species, charismatic species for conservation awareness. Example, panda. Pioneer species, first colonizer of barren areas. Example, lichens. Trophic level, position in food chain. Ecological efficiency, nearly 10% energy transfer between levels. Primary productivity, GPP total, NPP, net energy after respiration. Biomass, total living mass. Successions, autogenic organism driven, allogenic external factors. Sapro Saprotrophs decomposes fungi, bacteria. Aquatic zones, littoral shallow source, and limnatic open sunlit. Profundal deep dark. Benthic bottom. Thermocline rapid temperature change, larin vento. Plankton necton, benthos, drifting swimming, bottom dwelling organism. Coral bleaching, coral expel algae due to stress, especially high temperature. Eutrophication, nutrient overload causing algal bloom, oxygen depletion. Biodiversity loss, decline in the species, genetic diversity, or ecosystem function causes. Anthropogenic humans, habitat loss, most significant 75% land altered. Overexploitation, 90% marine fish decline. Climate change, 75% coral bleaching. Invasive species, 60% extinction. Pollution, 500x chemical output. Natural, climate shift, volcanic eruptions, natural disaster. Australian bushfire. 3 billion animals. Natural extinction. Effects, ecosystem instability reduced, genetic diversity, example Florida panther. Economic losses, increased extinction risk, 43,500 species threatened by IUCN, 41% amphibians, 25% mammals, increased zoonotic disease, example Ebola. Human wildlife conflict, food insecurity. Biodiversity hotspot, regions with high endemism, more than or equal to 1500 endemic vascular plants, and significant habitat loss, more than or equal to 70%. Global context, 36 hotspot covers 2.4% land but hold more than 50% plant and 43% vertebrate species. India's hotspot 4 by 36. Western Ghat and Sri Lanka, high endemic unique flora and fauna. Himalayas, eastern and western part, rich alpine forest biodiversity. Indo-Burma, northeast India and southeast Asia, diverse megafauna and flora. Sundaland, Nicobar Island, endemic island flora fauna, coral reef. Cold spot, low diversity but ecologically unique, significant example, Thar Desert and Ladakh. Hot, it's a hotspot, marine areas critical for ocean health. It's a typing error. It's a hotspot. Marine areas critical for ocean health. Example: Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep. IUCN Red List. Purpose: assesses global conservation status of species. Key categories: extinct and extinct in the wild (EW), critically endangered (CR), endangered (EN), vulnerable (VU), endangered (EN), vulnerable (VU), extinct in wild (EW), critically endangered (CR), extinct (EX). This is short form. Significance: guides conservation policy, identifies 318 species, 43,500 currently. Biodiversity conservation method: in situ conservation on site. Definition like protecting species within their natural habitat. Method: natural parks. Example: Kaziranga wildlife sanctuaries. Biosphere reserve. Example: Nilgiri conservation. Community reserves. Advantages: cost effective, protects whole ecosystem, allows natural evolution. Ex situ conservation, off site. Definition: protecting species outside their natural habitat. Methods: zoos, botanical gardens, seeds banks, gene banks, and cryopreservation. Advantages: safety, net against extension, research, breeding program. Other strategies: control invasive species, promote sustainable use, climate change mitigation, strong environmental laws, research, public awareness. So this is the end of lecture. This was short lecture. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Please do subscribe, like, and if you have any doubt, ask in comment section. And please press the bell icon so UPSC focused videos keep reaching you. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.